In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add background music to your Wix website. This guide will walk you through each step, ensuring your site has that perfect background soundtrack to enhance user experience. So, let's get started. First things first, you need to head over to your Wix website editor. Simply log into your Wix account and select the site you want to edit. Once you're in, you'll be at your homepage. Here you can see a variety of options on the left-hand side. Next, look for the Add Elements button located on that side panel. This feature allows you to insert various types of content onto your site, shaping it just the way you envision. Click on it, and a menu will cascade open, showcasing different options you can add. Now, from this menu, tap on Video and Music. This will narrow down your choices to only multimedia components, streamlining the process as we move further into adding audio. Follow up by selecting Audio Players. It's crucial since this selection opens up various types of players you can embed on your page. At this point, you need to choose an audio player. Wix offers a range of styles from minimalist bars to more elaborate boxes. Consider your site's design and which player complements it best. Drag your chosen player onto your page or simply click, and it will be added instantly. After adding the player, it's time to customize it to fit your layout. Click on the audio player, and you'll be able to resize it or change its position anywhere on your page. Adjusting it to your preferred size and location will ensure it looks seamless and integrated. With the player aptly placed, our next step is to add the music track. Click on the player once again, and you'll find the Change Track option. Select this to continue, allowing you to modify and upload the music of your choice. To upload your own track, click on Upload Track. If you haven't already uploaded your music, you'll be taken to a section where you can upload media. You'll hit Upload Media from your computer, ensuring the tracks are readily available in your media library. Once uploaded, it's time to add your selected track. Navigate back to your library and choose the track you wish to use. Then simply click on Add Track to assign it to the player. With your track added, let's look at the playback settings. Select your desired playback options, which could include autoplay or manual play, depending on what suits your needs. Finally, for seamless listening experience, make sure to click on the option to Play in Loop. This ensures the music continues to play uninterrupted as users browse your site. And there you have it. You've successfully added background music to your Wix website. This simple addition can greatly enrich your users' web experience. Thanks for watching, and happy website building.